In this video, I am going to show you how to share a public GitHub repository link and how to share a private GitHub repository with others. Now, to share a public GitHub repository link, you have to be on the public GitHub repository page. Making sure you are on the Code tab, click the green Code button. Then, from the drop-down menu, select the HTTPS tab if it's not already selected. Then find and click the Copy URL to Clipboard button, which is represented by an icon of two overlapping squares. Then we can share that URL with others by sending it via Slack, chat, or email. I am just going to share it by sending it over email. Whoever receives this URL will be able to see the GitHub repo page or clone it to their computer. Now, to share a private GitHub repository is a little different, as when I go to copy the link of a private GitHub repo and try and view it in an incognito window where I am not logged into GitHub, I get a 404 error page. This is because only the repository owner and its collaborators can see it. So to share our private GitHub repo with others, we have to invite them as collaborators. To do this, let's click on the Settings tab on the private GitHub repository page, then click the Collaborators link. Now you can see we have no collaborators yet, so let's invite some. Click on the green button labelled Add People. Then let's first add someone who has a GitHub account by typing in their GitHub username and clicking on it. Then click the Add this user to this repository button. Then we can see they have been sent an invite and we are just awaiting their response. Then to invite someone as a collaborator who does not have a GitHub account, click the green button labelled Add People. Then type in their email. Click on their email highlighted blue. Then click Add this email to this repository button. Then we can see that we are waiting their invite response too. When a collaborator is invited via email, they will receive an invitation to collaborate on your private GitHub repository. From this email, they will need to create an account if they don't have one, or simply sign in if they already have an account. Once signed in, they can accept the invite. After acceptance, their status will change from pending to collaborator,